back to my channel. Today I'll be doing Print Impression Weeks Plan with me for the week of August 10th to the 16th, and I'm using this beautiful kit from Pretty Cute Planner called Happy. Now originally I was going to use something with more greens and pinks, and it was a flamingo, but these bright vibrant colors just really popped at me, and they just kept telling me use me, so I had to make sure these were used immediately. Even though I wanted it to be for the week after, I decided I needed to use it immediately. Oh shoot, I don't know if I said, but it's actually from this really cute Etsy shop called Pretty Cute Planner. That is the name of the shop, and they've got some really fantastic kits. Now if you recall, a couple of weeks ago I also used one of the kits, and it was just beautiful tropicals with wonderful glitter headers. So anyways, going back to this, I put down the date covers, and then I do hand write the days in because I just couldn't be bothered to actually look for my date numbers. So I just hand wrote them in, and then it comes with this really delightful washi, which I put down at the bottom, as well as I end up putting a weekend sticker as well. Now for some odd reason I didn't center it. I don't know why I thought this wouldn't center, and then it would after I put it down. So I messed that up. In addition, you'll see what's happening right now. I'm putting down those glitter headers, and I messed that up as well. And I absolutely hate that I did that. So there are only 7 glitter headers, and for some reason I didn't count this week, and I put them at the very beginning into the side notes, and it's unnecessary. I did not need it there, but I completely missed those, so it's unfortunate that I did that. However, I did end up, I wouldn't say fixing the issue. I had originally put down the sticker that says next week, but I do end up removing that, and I put to do, as I've put a nice bow list down below the Sunday. And I also put the words important under this week. And now in this particular week, I decided I wasn't going to do a lot of checklists. I would put down the quarter boxes just to show you that you can do it. So I did basically 1 per day, and then I went in with some nice white spice. But when I did that, I didn't really pay attention to my actual appointments, and I really had to stretch what was putting down. Like for instance, rubbish I put down on Monday, and I never put rubbish on the Monday. Normally I do it on the side notes. I also had to improvise, and I put house clean and laundry, and unfortunately both of those days I forgot to put down a character sticker. So in this particular week, I really messed it up a lot. But, I mean, bright colors, you don't really need to pay attention. But so within this particular week, I used that Planner Girl stickers. I used Once More with Love emoji stickers. I also used Lipstick Planner, my own shop, as well as Suki&Lala and ToffeeBananas, now known as Papershire. And I also used a Stick With Me shop sticker, which you will see near the end, as well as a Ramona and Friends. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, hit subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye.